5 seconds. The parliamentary members' information given to government during January and February was of particular satisfaction to the northern publishers. It is difficult to believe that the doctor has not remembered to call on the enthusiastic arbitrator when he was representing the Metropolitan University. In our surprise, we were influenced by a mere remark. This gentleman was told that the doctor cannot represent him. It was quite satisfactory that we were to be next. We shall probably do more advertisements next year. Several architects have given their independent opinion on the defective building. The peculiar performer practiced his particular and characteristic performance in the southern building. The members of the insurance organizations are all together in the building and the doctor is in the chair. The university prospectus is a publication with particular characteristics, and it is very unusual to have two prospectuses with all subjects identical. Notwithstanding the information which the ministry has sent, we believe it is dangerous to publish this decision to the public. The influential English government representative exchanged his investment with the parliamentary executive organizer. All the members believed that their wishes had been respected. They are to be thanked for their remarkable school special delivery. The passenger who had an appointment at the air ministry was a stranger, so he asked a messenger how to get to his objective. The capable and intelligent English performer performed his performance without any difficulty. A small proportion of the general public are incapable of acknowledging their own deficiencies. Whether the doctor chaired the investigation was the member's responsibility. A capable administrator from the ministry was called in to give his opinion. Owing to the exigencies of this expensive trade, I have to do without an enlarger. The principal has given his opinion irrespectively and without prejudice to all in this care. School certificates are for those who have knowledge, therefore practice much. In great spirits, the gentleman put the manuscript on Sense and Sensibility in the publisher's hands. The character of the capable English gentleman from the northern establishment was very different from that of the administrator from southern England. Everything in his description surprised me. Those gentlemen speak the language without difficulty. It is important that the improvement in the efficiency of electrical establishments should be remembered whenever we think of electricity. A good chairman is very important too, and it is of equal importance to know your subject and which significant things to speak of first. Till you publish the truth, do not speak for hours and always thank them for their attention. Children and young people today have great opportunities in school and university but we should be on our guard and not expect the much of time in too short a time. It should be a pleasure to them to have an opportunity to practice these things, and more important to them than to have certificates to more difficult subjects. My investigation on behalf of the insurance people has been most instructive. It was beyond me to give you what I owe. In our publication yesterday, we called for a special investigation. The gold for the United States was sent under guard. I am sure there is a wonderful interest in your publication. You as owner are responsible for neglect of the mortgage. It will cheer him for you to speak the truth. Nothing can influence him to go to the United States. Could you have come without any of that special influence? I wished to put something quite different this year. How can you wish to put in your eye? Come at your usual hour and give it to them, because the Lord speaks on this subject. He will go for us to thank Him. What we owe. Can you give us a description of the individual who delivered the telegram? In any government, the spirit of liberty is an important influence. It will, in our opinion, never influence those who are responsible. The large balance has never been equaled in any year. The information you sent us by telegram is not sufficient. This information is of great significance to us. Thank them for the advertisement, but tell them to put nothing in any trade publications till next year. We are sure the writer speaks the truth, but nevertheless an investigation is impossible without a description of the individual who is responsible for the difficulty. What do you think of the inspection on the school building? Come over when you have an opportunity, because it is usually very cold in January and February. We think the danger is too great. Building yards themselves are inconvenient and have to have guards and regular inspections. My first objective is to have a preliminary valuation from you. All public buildings should be inspected regularly.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.